Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got my OG Ipsy bag, so let's get into it. Check it out. This is my October bag, so in theory November is on its way at any moment. That is what the actual bag looks like, very seasonally festive. I actually have a brush on the outside. I have our paperwork, but it doesn't give us any information on the inside, so I will get out Mr. iPad and we will trust him for all of that information. If you are new to Ipsy, the Glambag is the original bag. It is $14 a month. You will have 5 products. You will get to select one of them. They will all likely be deluxe sizes, or you might choose a brush. Sometimes we'll get a nail polish or a lippy, something that is full size, but they say you will get 5 deluxe sizes. We will start with what is outside the box. This was not, believe it or not one of my picks. I would have chosen it. You guys know I love to pick brushes, but I did not pick this one. That is what it looks like. It says Wing Me on it, and it says it's an $18 value, and it is an all-over eyeshadow brush. Wish you had the perfect tool for an all-over look? Your search is over. This one has full, soft bristles that pack on and blend out eyeshadows to a flawless finish, diffusing and blurring any harsh lines effortlessly. I like to have these around because sometimes my shadows get away from me. They just get a little bit away from me, and I like to go back through and just blend it off. I mean, I have very small eye space, so this is way too much to actually do any, for me to do any shadowing with, but it will be perfect to try and blend out something that I've gone just a step too far and putting on just a little too much. Reaching in, oh look, the inside is it pink? It's kind of a dark pink, pinky red. That's very cool. Oh, and did you see the zipper is like a crystal ball? Very cool. This is what we have next, something in a cute, oh, no, it's not. I thought for a second it was making powder on the outside. It is not, it is the box design. This is from Moonslice Beauty, and it is a blush. It reminds me of the old the balm ones. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's a very, very pretty pink. I mean, the color is like perfect for me. The color is beautiful. It has a $15 value, and it is the pressed blush for a full-on flush of radiant and plush pink cheeks. Reach for this powder blush. It's highly pigmented and buttery soft for a perfect pop of color on your cheeks. So let's see. That is what it looks like. I love the color. It does have a nice pigment, but I don't feel like it's going to be hard to handle. But yeah, I love that color. So that will be fun to play with. Reaching in next. Oh, I think this is what I chose. It is a little Fenty lippy. How cute is that? It's so cute. Isn't that adorable? I love that color. That is gorgeous. It is very dark. It'll be perfect like for the holidays, just to slip if you carry a small bag to slip in there. A little bit. Ooh, just one swipe got us that nice. It's kind of a burgundy-ish. It's kind of, it's almost like a berry red. That's just one swipe across here. Let's make it a little more permanent. That color is gorgeous. Semi-matte lipstick in the MVP. So that's the color, the MVP. Fit for the red carpet. This is a cool toned, that's me, red lippy that you wear if you want to be seen. It's highly pigmented and packed with moisture, locking hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and amino acid technology for a plush feel that keeps your lips comfy, plump, and moisturized. I can do vitamin C on my lips, that's fine, but those are perfect for me. We have a Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. So this is definitely just a little tester. It says dark circles, crow's feet, and fine lines weighing you down. Not with this featherweight eye cream. It does some heavy-duty lifting that helps tighten, brighten, and fade away visible signs of aging with skin plumping peptides, wrinkle smoothing squalene, and energizing ginseng extract. Does not seem to have anything in it that I can't use, so I may go ahead and give that a try. I used to love Shiseido. They had a cleanser back in the day that I absolutely loved. Back before boxes when we bought everything from the beauty counters. Last out we have Mini Oat Bay. Some things make me feel old. That might be one of them. What is this? It is from Toy Factory, and it's Oat Bay Oil Makeup Remover. Meet your new makeup removing bestie that's part milky, part silky, and totally soothing. Don't be fooled by its gentleness on sensitive skin. This luxurious feeling formula easily wipes off the day's dirt, debris, and full-on glam. Yes, even the stubborn, waterproof kind. The combo mix of oat milk and oil plus chrysanthemum and hyaluronic acid help to calm and hydrate your skin for a pampered glow. There's nothing in it that I can't use. It does have citric acid in it, which can sometimes, but probably not in a cleanser that honestly, if it's an oil, I'm likely to second cleanse with anyway. That is what it looks like. How cute is that? So it's just liquid. Let's put it, I've got all of these things on the back of my hand. Let's put a couple drops. Of course, we didn't read how we're supposed to use it. Ooh, that's probably way too much. It is breaking it all down. Can you see how it turned it all very dark pink? Just happen to have a washcloth up here, and it just took everything off the back of my hand, easy peasy. I had a lipstick, a little bit of residue from 2 lip glosses. What else? Some blush. I mean, it is, oh, it smells nice too. It looks good. I mean, it's clean. I will be trying this. That was fairly miraculous. That took everything right off. I like that. That is my October original, the OG Ipsy Glam Bag. We got our cute little bag with our cute little zipper. Let me show the zipper again because that baby was cute. And then I got the Oat Bay, which I'm going to basically call First Cleanser. We got that really pretty pink Moon Slice Beauty blush. A nice brush to smooth out with. You could actually, this one's big enough for me that I think you could also do like highlighter with it if you wanted. The Fenty Beauty Red Lippy that is perfect for me, and the Shiseido Under Eye Cream. And I can just tuck it all back in my really cute little bag. I will put the information, a link down below to take you over to Ipsy. I am in no way sponsored by Ipsy. I buy all of my Ipsy goodies myself. Thank you so much for coming by. If you don't already subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Please hit like and the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.